Hold up. CELU just hit 140% in after-hours trading. That's not a normal day. That's not even a normal week. This stock just got partnered with a $300 million US manufacturing deal and the market is absolutely losing its mind. But here's the thing. CELU isn't alone tonight. We scanned 12,000 stocks after the bell closed and found 5 absolute rockets waiting for you. And we're breaking down every single one. Entry points, profit targets, exact stops. So you're not left guessing tomorrow morning. Let's go. Welcome back, traders. It's August 27th. And we're in the after-market session. Which means the official market closed hours ago. But the real action is happening right now after hours. Tonight's scan is insane. We found 5 stocks screaming higher on major catalysts, partnerships, M&A news, earnings surprises, and organic momentum. We're talking massive volume. Relative volume up 2x across all 5 picks. And float so tight, these moves are absolutely explosive. The biggest name? CELU. A medical tech play that just announced something institutional investors have been waiting for. But we've got 4 more equally compelling setups. Let's break them all down. Into the meat of it. Starting with number 1. CELU. This is a MOONSHOT. Score 79 out of 100. It's up 140.8% right now. Trading at $2.12. On absolutely massive volume. 430 million shares traded. With relative volume at 2x the normal baseline. The float is tiny at 23.2 million shares. Which explains the violence. The catalyst. A partnership. Celularity just announced a $300 million US manufacturing collaboration. This is institutional grade new. This is textbook MOONSHOT territory. Next up, LGPS. The explosive mover. Score 75 out of 100. Up 53% at $1.33 on 85 million shares with 2x relative volume. Float is 18.9 million. The catalyst is M&A. Log Prostyle entered into an agreement to acquire 100% of iFlats Corporation. Acquisition news always triggers institutional buying. Entry. $1.33. Target 1. $1.60. Target 2. $1.995. Stop loss. $1.26. This one's got legs. Stock 3. VNRX. S. Loss. $1.26. This one's got legs. Stock 3. VNRX. Strong momentum. Score 67. Up 48.7% at $0.50 on 698 million shares. This is a penny stock with volume. Relative volume. 2x. Float. 6.7 million. Which is absolutely microscopic. The catalyst. Earnings. VNRX reported 112% revenue growth with key diagnostic validations expanding their addressable market. Biotech earnings that actually deliver. This resonates. Entry. $0.50. Target 1. $0.53. Stop. $0.50. Watch this one close. Number 4. WNW. Strong tier. Score 62. Up 28.2% at $3.18 on 31.7 million shares. 2x relative volume. This float is tiny. 1.1 million shares. Catalyst. M&A. Meiwu Technology rallied after hours. And the news is acquisition related. With float this small, any institutional interest creates vertical moves. Entry $3.18. Target 1, $3.27. Target 2, $3.30. Stop, $3.12. Don't get caught on the wrong side of this. GHT on the wrong side of this one. Final stock, $CHOW. EXPLOSIVE. Score 57. Up 62.3% at $0.62 on 276 million shares. 2x relative volume. Float 28.4 million. Here's the interesting part. There's no recent news catalyst, this is pure momentum and technicals. No news means sentiment is driving the move. Entry $0.62. Target 1, $0.66. Target 2, $0.90. Stop, $0.55. Keep this on your radar overnight. Here's what matters for tomorrow. First, watch the open. These after-hours moves often create gaps. And the first 30 minutes of regular trading session will tell you if this is sustained or a fade. CELU is the institutional flagship tonight. If it holds above $2.10 at the open, you could see extension into the $2.35 target. Second, volume confirmation. All 5 of these stocks need to maintain relative volume tomorrow or they lose power. Third, watch for squeeze plays on $WNW and VNRX. Tiny floats with big momentum create the best continuation setups. Finally, pennies like $CHOW with no news catalyst can evaporate fast if sentiment shifts. Confirmation is everything tomorrow morning. Watch the pre-market. Watch the first candles. And don't chase these moves after they've already run 100% at open. Position sizing is critical. Every day we scan 12,000 plus stocks to find the biggest pre-market rockets before they explode. Subscribe and hit the bell so you catch tomorrow's movers first. See you then. Want our complete scanning methodology, alert system, and the exact tools we use to find these rockets first? Head to TDVW.com right now. That's where you get the full breakdown of how to scan for movers like this yourself. Don't wait for someone else to tell you about the next 140% move. See you there.